Hey dear student, today we are going to discuss various MCQ related to lattice energy, hydration energy and solubility of ionic compounds. So first question says, which among the following compound has a maximum value of lattice energy? So we know that lattice energy equal to K into Q plus into Q minus divided by R. Here Q plus represent charge on cation and Q minus represent charge on anion, and K is constant, whereas R is ionic radii. Okay, so in all four options we saw that sodium metal is common, and if we break them we get sodium plus and chlorine minus, sodium plus chlorine minus, sodium plus bromine minus and sodium plus iodine minus. In each cation and anion they possess similar charge. In case of sodium chloride, sodium has one positive charge and fluorine has one negative charge. In sodium chloride, sodium has one positive charge and chlorine has one negative charge. Similarly, all four species has same number of positive and negative charge. So first factor, that is charge on cation anion, is neglected. Then we look into second factor, that is ionic radii. So we know that in halogen family, when we move from top to bottom in the group, the size of the atom increases. So iodine has more size than fluorine. So sodium iodide has more ionic radii than sodium fluoride. So it has more ionic radii. It has, and sodium fluoride has less ionic radii. So we know that lattice energy is inversely proportional to radii. When radii decreases, lattice energy increases. So out of the following, sodium fluoride has less ionic radii, so it has more lattice energy. So option 1 is correct answer. Okay, now comes to second question, which says, which among the following compound has higher hydration energy than lattice energy? Okay, we know that hydration energy increases if the difference between radii of cation and anion increases. So when the difference between the radii of cation and anion increases, hydration energy increases. Okay, so here we saw that sulfate ion is common, whose size is bigger. Okay, so now we have to check out of the 4 cation whose size is small, so that their difference between the radii is bigger. Here we know that these all are second group element, so we know that magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, top to bottom their size will increases. So this molecule has less radii difference, as barium has more size. So magnesium sulfate has more radii difference between cation and anion, because magnesium has small size among the 4 cation, So small size and large size of anion produce large radii difference. Okay, so option 2 is correct one. Now come to question number 3, that is the incorrect order of lattice energy among the following set is. So we know that lattice energy is equal to K into Q plus into Q minus divided by R. So here aluminum has +3 charge and fluorine has -3 charge. Similarly, magnesium has +2 charge and fluorine has -2 charge. So if ions has more charge, then they have more lattice energy. Here magnitude of charge is more in aluminum fluoride. So this option is right. In second option, lithium has 3 plus and nitrogen 3 minus ion. Similarly, lithium has 2 plus and oxygen 2 minus ion. So here also this compound has more magnitude of charge, so it has more lattice energy. So this statement also a right one. Now in NaCl and lithium fluoride, NaCl have positive charge and Cl has minus charge. Similarly, lithium has positive charge and fluorine has minus charge. But here we saw that both molecules have same magnitude of charge. So lattice energy can be determined by their ionic radii. Here NaCl and NaCl has large ionic radii because we know that lithium sodium, among lithium and sodium, lithium is small. Similarly, among fluorine and chlorine, fluorine is small. So lithium fluoride has small ionic radii, hence it has more lattice energy. But here it is given that NaCl is more lattice energy than lithium fluoride. So the question says the incorrect order of lattice energy among the following set is option 3. Okay. Now come to question number 4. The correct order of solubility in a aqueous medium. We know that solubility directly depend upon hydration energy, which further depend upon hydration energy depend upon if the difference between cation and anion increases, then hydration energy increases. So we have to check which of the following compound has more cation and anion radii difference. Radii, okay. Radius of cation, minus radius of anion. This difference, if this difference increases, hydration energy increases. Okay, so we know that first we check. We know that sodium in all 4 cases sulfur is common, so we have to check if copper, zinc or sodium which has less size. We know that sodium has more size than copper and zinc, so sodium has more ionic radii or more difference in cation and anionic radii. Okay, so sodium will be placed first. Now we know that zinc has more radii than copper. So zinc sulfate has more hydration energy than copper sulfate. So option 4 is right answer. Question number 5 says that the correct order of increasing lattice energy of the metallic compound is dash. We know that lattice energy equal to K into Q plus into Q minus divided by R. Here R is ionic radii, Q plus is charge on cation and Q minus is charge on anion. So we first resolve these 4 compound into their ions. So Na plus Cl minus, Na plus I minus, Ca2 plus O2 minus, Ba2 plus O2 minus. We saw that last 2 element has greater charge than the first 2 element. So these 2 element has large lattice energy than these 2 element. Now compare NaCl and Na. Here they have similar charge. So lattice energy only depend upon ionic radii. We know that in halogen family, chlorine, bromine, iodine, when we move from top to bottom, the size of the atom increases. So sodium iodide has large ionic radii than sodium chloride. So we know that if ionic radii increases, lattice energy decreases. So sodium iodide has less lattice energy than NaCl. So in first option we that NaCl is less than sodium iodide. So this option is not correct. In second option, sodium iodide is less than NaCl. It might be right. Similarly, option 4, sodium iodide is less than NaCl. So option 2 or option 4 may be correct. Now we consider calcium oxide and barium oxide. Here we know that calcium and barium both are second group element. In second group element, when we come across top to bottom, size increases. So barium oxide has more size than calcium oxide. So barium oxide has more ionic radii than calcium oxide. So barium oxide has more size or more ionic radii, so less lattice energy. Similarly, calcium oxide has less ionic radii but more lattice energy. So in between calcium oxide and barium oxide, calcium oxide is more lattice energy. So in option 2 and 4, calcium oxide is more lattice energy than barium oxide. So option 2 is correct one. Okay.